Hyperion, get the team down from the main bunker. I'll take the control.
Follow me!
Lower hub, locked down. The mastermind and Prime Minister are trapped. Move in and prepare for a wreck.
Sun level 10.
Proceed with caution. The area will be heavily defended.
Missile launch in 40 seconds.
Keep going! Fight them! Right, this is bad. There's a long-range missile warming up.
Missile launch in 30 seconds.
Destination, London. What's happening?
Hyperion, there is a way to prevent the launch. The only way is to lock the blast door to contain the explosion. I'm sorry, Hyperion.
20 seconds.
What? No! Frank, the team are too far in. They'll never get out in time.
They'll all be incinerated.
Along with the mastermind and the Prime Minister. I can't risk that missile hitting London!
You're in charge. It's your choice, sir.
It's for the greater good.
Missile launch in 10 seconds. 9.
Frank, what are you doing?
8. 7.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Frank, you're sleepwalking. You wandered into the school and tripped the alarm. You were shouting about missiles and secret agents and all sorts.
That's not good. The 21st century faces a new kind of threat, and MI9 must create a new breed of skilled undercover agent. Hidden in a place no villain will think to look. Welcome to MI High.
So, after all these years, the nightmare's back.
Just a bad dream. You'll get them.
True. But how many of us wander around in the dead of night blabbing state secrets?
It won't happen again.
Possibly. Do you realize we need to make sure?
Well, you can't stand me down.
It's for your own good, Frank. The Cranium Institute has a first-class reputation. They'll get you over these nightmares.
Please, Stella, give me another chance.
I'm sorry, Frank. The greater good always outweighs the individual concern. That's why I have to ask you for your MI9 pass.
Might as well take this too.
There's no need for tears. Pull yourself together.
I'm sorry, Mr. McNabb. It's just that I don't like seeing Frank looking so vulnerable. I do hope this institute is going to look after him.
Okay. Okay, blubbing over. This is not a funeral parlour. Back to your desks.
A moment, please, Mr. McNabb. After a shock like this, we really should give the children a chance to explore their feelings.
Oh, we're doing feelings today, are we? Do let me know when we move on to more serious stuff, you know, like fluffy bunnies, etc.
Right. Here we are. Nightmares are repressed fears. So all we have to do is identify our fears, and this book will give us projects to overcome them.
Oh, I know. Sometimes I get this dream where my legs feel like concrete.
Ah, yes, now, that is quite common. Yes, here we are. Your first project. You need to be more active.
I'll go for a run around the school.
Now?
It'll help me sleep better tonight.
I get that dream too, sir.
And me. Oh.
Yes, well, I suppose we should respond to your needs. As the book says, face your fears by day, and the nightmares will blow away.
What? What's going on?
Nice cover story. So where's Frank? Secret mission?
No, nothing like that. We've sent him for a rest. Dr. Attentive is an expert in nightmare therapy.
You sent him against his will.
Trust me, it's the best place for him. Anyway, now you're here, I need your help. Give me a hand to get this place organised. Looks like a bomb went off on it. I mean, what is this?
Spectrum analyzer.
That makes a tea.
Get them properly labelled. Now, who's ready for some scrubbing?
Become a spy, they said. Fight crime, save the world, and get lots of chance to tidy up. Mr. London, come in. Come in. House rules, Mr. London. No keys, money, or mobile phones. All contact with the outside world must be minimised.
Tough regime you're running here.
Rule 2, only a single visit per week. Make it a good one. Now, these nightmares. Sleepwalking? Talking in your sleep about military activity?
I used to be a soldier.
I see.
I suppose I had nightmares when I was little.
I don't do words, Mr. London. I work directly with the brain. Yours will tell me all I need to know.
Wait.
Plan?
0-0. Short plan. Who are you? Don't interrupt. It's my move. George, it's me, Frank. MI9. How did you end up here? Last time I saw you took a skull base single-handed. I've got something to tell you. The doctor takes them.
What, George? What does the doctor take?
We won't spy them. The budgie's in flight. Fly, little budgie. Don't go in the cage.
Mr. London, it's time for your first station. MI9 Medal for Bravery. Frank London. Did it slip your mind to tell us that Frank was a hero?
At the moment, he's more of a security risk.
Counting down. 3, 2, 1.